Welcome everyone to this up and running in motion graphics with Adobe After Effects. We are happy to have you join us in this class. This tutorial series is designed for beginners who want to learn how to create and design their own motion graphics using Adobe After Effects. Before we go further, please do like, comment and share on my social media handles at Loud Dream Styles, which is on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook and TikTok. So in this class we'll be looking at another example using the keyframes to make a simple animation. So let's dive into After Effects. Alright, so here we are in After Effects. I had already made out this composition that involves a headphone picture and some text. So I'll be animating this in this class. So the first thing I'll be doing is turning out all these elements. Leaving only the layer first. So as a designer, as a motion graphics designer, I'll start off with the background. So for me to animate this background, all I need to do is to click on the layer as we always do, hit your P key, and for me to animate this background, all I need to do is to count 10 frames forward. So my current time indicator is here already. All I need to, for me to count forward, all I need to do is to hold my control button on my keyboard and use my arrow keys to count forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So with my CTI there, I can now click on my stopwatch and move that back and drag my background down out of the screen. So let's hit the space bar to preview what we had done. So you can see the background just sliding in. So remember, our keyframes is in a linear form. So let's stop that. And this time around you click on your position and you can see your two keyframes highlighted. And remember, the next thing we'll be doing is right click on those keyframes, go to Keyframe Assistant, go to Easy Ease, which has a shortcut key of F9. So let's click on that and you can see right away our keyframes have changed to its ease form. And let's play back and see what's all about. So you can see the movement is smooth. So let's stop that. And the next thing I'll do is duplicating this layer. And for me to have access to the keyframes of the second background layer I had duplicated, all we need to do is to click on the layer and hit your U key. And you can see that the keyframes are now visible for you to see. Now, the next thing I'll be doing is moving my CTI back. And this time around, I want to count 5 frames forward. So you hold your control key down and use your arrow keys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I can drag my second layer back, and since both layers are white, I'll have to change the color of the first one. So let's give it that, and let's preview to see exactly what we've done. That looks nice. So we can stop that. So haven't gotten that, now we'll have to watch out for how the next item or the next asset is going to come into the screen. So we'll make our headphones visible and drag that this way. So it stops there, and for us to animate the headphones, you click on that and hit your P key, and we'll just go 10 keyframes forward. Hold your control key down and use your arrow keys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you can click on your stopwatch and move this back, and you can drag that out of the screen. So remember to change your linear keyframe to easy ease. Go to your keyframe assistant and let's get to see what we've done. So you can see the animation, the backgrounds come in and the headphone follows along. So we can see that our animation is kind of coming up. So we can stop that. The next thing we'll do is animate the text. And we can just move our current time indicator to see what we'll be doing next. So this will be the first text. We can just drag that a little somewhere here, and we can hit our P key, and you can also go 10 frames forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we use our position to mark that and drag this back, and you can pull that out of the screen and click on your position again, change from linear to easy ease, and let's just give it some room. Let's preview that. We can see that the animation is really coming up. So we've done that for the first text. Let's stop that. Let's move in to do the next one. So we can make this visible again and drag it out like so. Give more room. You click on that layer and hit your P key again, and this time around your 10 frames forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Click your stopwatch, drag it back, and you can equally move that out too. And that's the click on the position and change it from linear to easy ease, and we can just move this forward too and do for the next one. Hit your P key, you go 10 frames, 10, click your stopwatch, drag back and you can move this off the screen. You can just use your F9 . So we can also make the next one visible and drag that back too. So we could just use that to hit your P key, move that back, drag it out of the screen, and change it to easy ease. So we can just move this, and let's see what we've done. So let's preview that. So you can just see how simple and easy it is to create an animation in After Effects. Not too much of brain power. It's just simple tips that will get you animating in no time. So you can stop that, and you can just come in to make some little tweaks by just dragging this forward. Move this, tweak this, just to give you animation. So let's preview that, and let's see how it goes. So you can see. Very simple and easy. So if you get to watch these videos and practice, repeat, practice, you really get to understand how these tools in After Effects are being used. So you watch, practice, repeat the process. Watch, practice, and repeat. So let me just stop that. So there you have it, a simple animation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next class.